happy. It's time to pick up the kids. You're going, but I have a baby in my hands. Well, how about Miss Kiwa? She's busy. Hey, what's up, bro? Slay.
That sound is honestly, it creeps me out.
Okay, I'm on my way. Give me the car keys. Which one? We have a Bugatti, a Lamborghini. No need to flex on it. We're just rich. I'm out.
Who braided your hair? Person is stupid.
Don't mind that. That was technical difficulties.
Your hair is so dirty.
I don't care. Well, let us say this thingy
I just flung it across the room.
is the car wheel.
Losing her hair.
Let us say this thingy over here. This thingy. My mom just walked in, so yeah. This thingy over here is the car wheel, because I don't have any car wheel. And when I tried to put the clock there, it looks so ugly.
What room is that?
Room? It's a car.
I don't think the boy that's supposed to look like that.
Oh my god, bro! Okay. What? Where's my mohawk? Oh my god, bro! Oh my god, my mohawk!
You sound like how?
Oh my god, bro! Bro, you open that window! Yes, ma'am. You're driving with your phone. I'm calling the police on you. What? And you almost crashed into me. Ooh, big fall. Oh my god! Man, come out that car and put up your hands. Come here, little lady. He pushed me. The cameras, let me check. Checks. Lady, you're under arrest for faking and calling the police for no reason. That's what I thought. I'm leaving! What? That was the most cringiest thing ever. Okay, I'm at the kids' school. Oh, gotta come out, grab the key, put that in my pocket. I'm not putting that in my pocket. Let's go. Make me crazy. I'm here. Twins, come out. You're going home. Oh, hey, twins. Hey, Daddy. So, we had so much fun at school. Bye. My turn. It's our turn to play the game. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. I have more juice than you. Stack the cups up. Drop that cup, Joe. You're eliminated. Okay. Let's go, Daddy. Okay, kids. Drop your bag. Kaka. Sorry, I have to add the boot there.
No, you don't. You didn't have to. Can't you fix your spray? Wasn't it?
I can.
I said Kantu. Are you Kantu? Kantu is the hair product I'm using.
Kantu.
Yeah, Kantu.
Kantu.
CANTU.
Okay, kids. Before I start, I got pulled over before, so you better not jump out of the window again. Cause last time you did that, you hit a truck and you boo-booed your head, and you had to get that stitched up. Drives. Oh hey, Dad. Where's your sister and where's your bag? I'm coming. Where are the twins? I picked them up there in the car. I locked the door and I put on the safety jacket on them. Sure. What the hell? Who put that there? Whoever did it was literally in a love crisis. Him have to walk my paper all by myself. Oh, I hate my life. I just got F and my sister got an A. My dad can't not see this. If he does, I'm definitely dead. I'm totally dead. Totes. Put my locker before the teachers catch it. Okay, Dad, I'm here. Please help me get your sister. Here, Dad. Here's my bag. I would open it. Oh, Girls! Oh, look, it's your brother. The finest of them all. You. Oh, you have pimples. And both of you look alike. Well, I'm not his sister because I'm tanning my skin very soon because my mom feel like they're gonna mistaste it. But whatever. Where's my bag? Slay girls. Let's go. Bye girls. Bye handsome. Bye ugly. Okay, girls, time to go. Don't mind my jaga handwriting, but they removed this. Remove safety jackets. They remove safety jackets. Okay, girls, I need to put their bags in the boots. Okay, girls, get in.
Not even okay, girls. Which girls?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, guys. You can just say guys.
Are they boys? Hey, dudettes and dudes.
Just say okay. Get in the car. You don't need to say something.
Are you abusing me?
Oh,
You are!
combing your hair.
Okay, kids, we're going to pick up your grandma. So you have to be on your best behavior.
I'm not carry her.
Oh my God. My son-in-law! Yes, grandma. You didn't carry me. Let me carry you. Get y'all stinky hands off me. I wasn't even gonna let you. Whatever.
Okay.
And you didn't even carry me to the chair? You shut up. Oh, where are my cute grandchildren? Oh, my grandchildren. Your father didn't carry your grandma. Hey,
Hey,
Hey, grandma. Again.
Hey, grandma.
Hey, grandma. Hey, grandma. Hey, grandma. My grandchildren. Stop the car already, bro. Start the car. Yes, grandma. I don't want to hear that word from you. Just keep driving.
Yeah.
Bye, KK. Bye, Casey. My sister just left. Oh, God. There's hair everywhere. Just know I'm losing my hair, and that mohawk I showed you was literally nothing. I don't want to move downstairs. So.
Just divide these.
Keep going, bro. Okay, grandma.
Just the.
Okay, I'm carrying you, grandma. Unlock the door. Okay. Thanks, my son-in-law, George. Yes, ma'am. Maybe I'm gonna call you Georgie, but that's not my. Shut up. Okay, ma, we're coming in. We're coming in. We're coming in. Okay, kids, go upstairs. I'm here. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello, Miss Kiwa. Thank you, ma. Let me lead you to somewhere to sit.
Don't worry,
Here. Oh, hey, ma. Let me hold the baby. Oh, baby girl, or baby boy. Girl. She's so cute and precious. Dad, you left your key and your phone. Thank you. Kids, go upstairs and drop your stuff in your room and get something to eat. There are some leftovers from the pizza. You can have some. Which is you want? I'm changing. I'm so tired. Going to the bathroom to change. I'm done. Your outfit is so cool. Thanks. Where's the leftover pizza? Everyone has pizza, right? So my part 2 coming out soon.